Namaste and welcome to Himalayan Yoga Association YouTube online classes. Thanks for joining me for today. Today we are going to learn two more asanas of Ashtanga. Let's begin. At starting, just you have to do a quick warm up. For a quick warm up, use sun salutations, tabletop positions. You can use joint movements, variations. You can use so many things, but do properly warm up for our today's class. So come into tabletop position. You have to move your body, rotate your body front, left, full back, right side, rotate. Don't bend your elbows, just full focus on your shoulder and your wrist. Your wrist will move and keep your palms under your shoulder. Again, start. Feel the every stretch which is coming from your wrist. Feel it. This will strengthen your wrist, strengthen your arms anti-clockwise. Just go to full left, full forward, full right, and then full back. Again, rotate. Okay, now you have to keep your palms, go front. Just lean front and sit back. Again, stand up, lean front, sit back. So you have to do it. Go lean, and sit back. And slowly release, sit down and shake your wrist, rotate your wrist. Keep your palms, tuck your toes and come in the position of downward dog position. Look at your navel point, press your heels on your mat, press your palms, shake your legs. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now walk forward, look front, inhale, come up and exhale, come into Samasthiti. So now from here you can do like sun salutation A. If you want, you can do Hatha sun salutation also in Ashtanga. So I prefer Ashtanga sun salutation, but if you want to do Hatha, you can do Hatha. So inhale, raise your both arms up, joint your both palms, stretch your spine up, joint your both palms, look up, look at your thumbs and exhale, go down, place your palms beside of your both feet. Inhale, look front, lengthen your spine. You can also bend your knees, put your belly on your knees, look front. Touch your fingertips on the mat, press your palms, lift up and jump into Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Again, shake your legs. Bend your both knees, jump front, look front and exhale down. Inhale, come up. And exhale, Samasthiti. So this is sun salutation A. You can also do sun salutation B. 5 almost. You have to do around 5 rounds of each. So now today we will be doing our next asana is Paschimottan Asana. There are 4 variations of Paschimottan Asana in Ashtanga series, which I will show you today. There are 4 variations. So let's begin. So how you will go in the Paschimottan Asana? So I have to teach you jump, how to jump and sit into Dandasana. So inhale, raise your both arms up, exhale down, inhale, look front, exhale, jump back, inhale, upward facing dog, exhale, downward facing dog. Now here in downward facing dog, you have to jump and sit into Dandasana. But jumping, it is not easy for a beginner to jump and go into like Paschimottanasana. For jump, you have to first learn. Just bend your knees, place your palms properly, don't slide your palms, look front, and just slowly jump. Try to just jump between your both palms and land just in between. And then from here, just go back again. Again, bend your knees and try to lift up and jump front. And again, jump back. So you have to try this almost 5 to 10 times. Try, because nothing can be done without trying. So again, bend your knees, look front. Again, jump. This is a very easy jump. You should try it in starting. After, when you will get that how to land there, you have to like push your hips up. Before this you were doing like this, just sliding, coming in front. Now you have to push your hips up and land. Hips up and land back. Then slowly, gradually repeat this 5 to 10 times. After this, what you will do, bend your knees, full up and down, again full up, down. Then slowly and gradually you will get that strength to like cross your hands and just sit into Dandasana. I will show how. So from downward dog position, you have to lift up, cross your leg, and you have to sit in Dandasana like this. If you cannot cross your leg, use blocks for just like use block in both hands. Keep your palms on your blocks and then try to jump. So we will do Paschimottanasana. So first sit, come into land into Dandasana. Keep your both palms side of your hips, lock your chest. Deep inhale, deep exhale, hold. Open your chest. Pull your toes inward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Stretch your both arms up. Stretch, exhale, go down, grab your both big toes from your first 2 fingers. Look front, lengthen your spine, inhale and exhale, bend your both elbows down. Just try to keep lengthening, don't go like this. Your motive is not to just touch your head on your shin bone or your knee. Your motive is to correct the posture, keeping the spine straight, and try to touch your belly on your thighs first. Look front and hold. Just stay, hold in a correct position. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale. Palms down. Okay, shake your legs. Now you can do, if you have done like Paschimottanasana first variation, you can just lift and jump back into Chaturanga. You can do this by every variation. You can change. You can just come back, inhale upward facing dog, exhale downward facing dog. Now again we have to jump for Paschimottanasana second variation. So for this again we have to bend our knees and land. We have to land in Dandasana again. Now we will do Paschimottanasana variation B. If you cannot just try it, you cannot jump and jump front, jump back. So you can just leave it. You can just simply, after doing Paschimottanasana first variation, you can go for second. But if you want to like gain the strength, gain the energy, if you want to gain that energy, for that you have to, after one by one variation, for another variation you have to go back and again come front and jump. Inhale, raise your both arms up. Exhale, grab your feet from up with your palms. Inhale, look up and exhale, again bend. For Paschimottanasana, second variation. Look front, lengthen spine. Again hold, again stretch your spine. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release your palms on your mat or on your blocks. Again lift up. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. So this is the second variation. Now we will go for the third variation. Bend your knees. Again jump into Paschimottanasana, Dandasana. Now Paschimottanasana variation C. Inhale, arms up, exhale, go down. Grab your both feet by the side of your feet, left side and right side. You have to grab your feet, push your feet inside. You will see your feet will go like this, but you have to try to turn your feet inside and stretch and pull the feet inside. Grab, again inhale up, exhale, go forward and try to touch your elbows on your mat. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release your palms on your block and your mat. Again lift and exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog and exhale, downward facing dog. Just relax yourself for a few breaths. Shake your legs. Now we will go for our fourth and last variation. Again bend your knees. Jump front and sit into Dandasana. Now last variation. You have to grab your right or left wrist, anything you prefer. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, stretch. Hold. 1, 2, pull your toes inside. Stretch. Feel the full stretch coming from your hamstrings and calf muscles. 4 and 5. Inhale, come up. Exhale, calm, palms down. Inhale again, lift. Exhale, jump back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Just relax yourself. Now don't forget to just do counter pose. If you have done forward bending, you have to do counter pose. You can do Purvottanasana. For Purvottanasana, you have to bend your knees, jump back, keep your both palms behind your back. Inhale, lift, try to touch your feet on the floor. Look back, head back. 5, 4, 3, 2. Push your hips up and 1. Twist, you can twist as well. Slowly down. So now you have to release, relax. We have completed about Paschimottanasana posture, 4 variations. So you have to keep in mind, after doing like Paschimottanasana, you have to do Purvottanasana, that is counter 4 for your forward bending. And please, it is our special request to you guys. If you are watching this video, then please click the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for our more yoga videos. Namaste, stay happy, be safe. We will come again from another video to our account, Himalayan Yoga Association. So stay connected with us. Namaste.